Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking for a smart family calendar, you have probably come across Cozyla, then we have Skylight, then we have Hearth. So while all these three help organize family schedules, they focus on different types of users. So in this video, let's quickly compare them and find out which one is right for you. So first of all, let's talk about the display. So Skylight offers a simple touchscreen calendar that's easy for the families to use. It mainly focuses on scheduling and chore management. Then we have Cozyla, which is more versatile. Besides calendar functions, it works like a full Android-based smart display, allowing apps, entertainments, and productivity features. Then we have Hearth that takes a different approach with a family command center style display, which is designed to simplify the household planning and routines. Now, if we compare the features, so when it comes to the features, you will see that Skylight is the best for the users who want straightforward family calendar with shared schedules, meal plannings, and chore tracking. Cozyla is ideal if you want more than a calendar. It supports additional apps and offers greater flexibility for work, entertainment, and family organization. Hearth focuses heavily on the family management, including the routines, responsibilities, and household coordinations that makes it useful for the busy parents. Now, the real question here is which one should you actually choose? So you can choose Skylight if you want easiest setup and a dedicated family calendar experience. You can choose Cozyla if you want the most versatile smart display with calendar features plus extra functionality. You can choose Hearth if your priority is managing family routines, responsibilities, and daily household organization. At the end of the day, the best choice depends on your own needs. For simplicity, you can go with Skylight. For flexibility, you can choose Cozyla. And for family management, Hearth is the strongest option. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.